Hey everyone, it's me Megs and I'm back with a makeup video. In this video today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this super easy berry tone makeup look, which is perfect for beginners or anyone who just wants something simple to do. And I also have a quick haul that I want to share with you guys. I got some pieces from Luisa that I'm in love with. They have some really gorgeous pieces that match my style, so I want to get into this mini haul really fast. So yes, Ana Luisa is my new favorite spot because the jewelry is super cute, starting out at $39, and I absolutely love the packaging, which will make this a great gift for your friends, family, and especially for Mother's Day coming up. I really like how each piece of jewelry came with its own little envelope and box. It's super cute. So the style of the jewelry on the website is definitely my style because I am a simple girl, but I tend to like to add just a little something to my outfits without overpowering the outfits. But you also can layer and mix and match the pieces together to create like your own personal style. So you can wear all the pieces together and it just flows so effortlessly and just so pretty. You know, you just like jewelry that just makes you feel pretty, and this definitely does that. And I love the rings because you could stack them also. It's super cute. On the website there is a lot to choose from, so definitely check out the link below, you guys. They have all different styles of 14 gold plated jewelry, and they also have fine jewelry, so go ahead and click the link in the description to check out and see if there's anything that you like on there. Also really cool is that they have a sale going on right now, which is buy one get one 35% off, which you can't beat. So if you're looking to get a gift for Mother's Day, this will be a perfect time to check out the website that is linked below in the description. Okay, so it's time for makeup. I am gonna spray my face with my primer, which is the Urban Decay Rebound primer, because I like to double prime, so I use the spray first. Then the Bobbi Brown primer Mattifier Plus. I want my face to be kind of matte, and I'm actually gonna dabble in this Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Chai. I decided to bring this out because I forgot how much I love this foundation when I first tried it out, and you know, I need to explore this a little bit more. So I'm loving the finish of this foundation. It's my new current favorite again. So this is the color. To highlight, I'm gonna do a soft highlight. I'm gonna use the MAC Pro Longwear in NC45. I applied it with a flat brush, let it dry a little bit, and then blend it out with a damp beauty blender. And I'm just gonna take that same color and put it down my nose, my forehead, and my cupid's bow. Blend it out again with the beauty blender. So it's a very subtle highlight, nothing too bright, because I have some bags, child. I haven't been sleeping that well since COVID hit, girl. So I am gonna put on my 24-hour concealer by MAC, and this color is in NC45 also. And I'm just gonna put a little bit onto the highlighted areas also to brighten it up just a tad bit more, because this concealer is actually slightly a different color than the concealer that I used before, so I like them blended together. And to contour, I am going to use the Fenty matchstick in the color Expresso, and I'm just going to use a little bit on a brush and apply it to my face. Doing things this way, I'm saving a lot more product. I'm not using too much like I was before, so I like doing things like this now. All the products that I'm using will be down in the description below also. So I'm just going to contour my cheeks. I did a little bit on my forehead and blend it out with the booty part of the beauty blender. And again, my beauty blender is damp. And I'm going to take that same brush and just put a little bit on my nose to contour my nose a little bit. So I'm using the brush to place it, and then I'm going to use the beauty blender to blend it out. To set my highlighted areas, I'm going to use the Mercier translucent powder with my same beauty blender. Let that sit a little bit while I do my brows. Brush it off, girl. Then we're going to set the rest of our face with the Mercier medium deep translucent powder. This is my favorite powder, and I'm using a puff to put this on. And just dust everything off, swirl everything in to make sure everything's nice and even. Swirl, swirl, swirl. So that's done, and time to contour. I'm going to use the Black Radiance contour palette. I really love this powder to contour with. It just warms everything up. So I only put it on my cheeks and I am going to put it on my nose. So I just use it to chisel out my cheekbones and my nose. I no longer put contour powder on my forehead because it photographs too dark. So I am going to bronze a little bit. I am going to use the Bobbi Brown bronzer. This is like my favorite bronzer that I have. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my forehead, you know, on the perimeter of my face to give me that kind of warm, sun-kissed look. So I'm only going to put a little bit on there. And that's the look I'm going for. Time for eyes. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And this is just to allow my shadow to last all day and stay vibrant. So I'm going to put this all over the lid. And I'm going to take my bronzer and I'm going to pop this color into the crease. This just creates like a transition base color for me. This is just something I tend to do often with my eyeshadow looks. I like to put this on first. And then to pop in the crease, I am going to use these orange colors from the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. And I'm going to pop that in the crease. You can intensify this color a lot more than what I did. But I kind of wanted a soft wash of color. But girl, you could really go in and really make these colors really, really vibrant. I might do another video one day of how I do that. But I just like a little wash of color. So I'm going to use this burgundy berry color. And this is from the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I popped that in the crease also underneath the orange. And I'm going to use that same kind of berry reddish tone. And I'm going to pack this color onto my lid. So it's the same color we put on our crease, but it's just more intense. And I'm just going to blend that out to kind of make it look smoky. And I am going to use this Tarte paint pot. The name of this color will be down in the description, and I want it to be kind of shimmery, kind of foiled a little bit. And of course you can intensify this also, but I kind of wanted just a wash of it. And to brighten it up, I am going to use the Bobbi Brown highlighter, and I'm going to take that pink and kind of focus it in on the center. So this is kind of like entry-level halo eyeshadow, but not really. So it just gives you a little more dimension, a little more depth. And for lashes, pop on some big lashes. My favorite lashes right now are the Batty Bee lashes, and these are in Instaho. So I put on some liner on my top lid, pop the lashes on. So I am going to use this Juvia's Place blush. It's kind of like a reddish tone blush. This look is kind of like monochromatic. So I am going to put on kind of like a berry reddish tone eyeliner, and this is by Dose of Colors. And then I'm going to go in with that eyeshadow color that we use on our lid, and I'm going to place that on my lower lash line and kind of really pack that on like that. And to set my face, I am going to use the Beauty Bakery setting spray. This mist is really fine, so it's my favorite. And for highlighter, I am going to use that Bobbi Brown pink highlighter that we used on our lid. And we're just going to place that on, you know, the tip of my nose, the high points of my cheeks, just a little bit. So everything kind of matches. And of course, the inner tear ducts, like that. And I'm going to use Night Moth lip liner by MAC just to complete this look. Y'all, make sure you blend out your lip liner really well. I didn't in this video, but you get where we were going with this. And I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. The name of this lipstick is actually in the description below. And I'm just going to create a lip combo. I didn't know what I was doing, but I knew the look that I wanted. To warm it up, I'm going to put some Juvia's Place lip gloss just to kind of like warm it up just a little bit. And to top it off, I'm going to gloss it up with this Dose of Colors lip gloss called Moi. And it's just kind of like a sparkly, clearish gold. But y'all, make sure you blend out your lip liner and all that. I forgot to. This is the final look, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. All the products that I use will be down in the description below, as well as the tutorial and information about this unit that I'm wearing, which is by Divas Wigs. You can check that out. A link will be down in the description and in the comments area, so you can see this video because I really like this unit. And as well, I have the information about the jewelry down in the description below for you to check out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.